We gave the extraordinary new KitchenAid Diamond Blender to the top chefs from the world-renowned Institute of Culinary Education in New York City and asked them to put it to the toughest tests in their professional kitchens. Watch their reactions.
That was fast.
And that is one of the most powerful blenders I've ever worked with.
The exclusive KitchenAid Diamond Blending System with patented stainless steel blades and 60-ounce patented diamond pitcher design creates a powerful vortex, while the Intelli-Speed Motor Control automatically adjusts for optimal speed and power.
What I really like about the exclusive diamond blending system is it allows you to blend fresh ingredients packed full of vitamins and nutrients. So creations like this are both healthy and delicious.
Basically, we're getting perfect results with everything.
And just look at the impressive results when the chefs tested it against this professional-style blender. When your blender is this good, there's so much more to make. Like gourmet crepes for breakfast, fresh salads for lunch, delicious soups for dinner, and more. Even healthy smoothies and delicious frozen drinks. Put the ice chef-tested KitchenAid Diamond Blender to the test in your kitchen